Hi everyone, welcome to Next Gen SCM Cloud Academy. So in this video, we will understand Oracle SCM Cloud modules and how they support to end-to-end supply chain processes in real business scenarios. So basically, this session is designed and especially for beginners, freshers, and engineers and the working professionals who want a clear overview before learning the individual modules in details. So, so we'll see the what is the agenda of today's video. So these are the five key objectives of this video. So we will be seeing. So in this course, first of all, we will understand what is Oracle SCM Cloud and why companies uses it to manage their supply chain operations efficiently. So next, we will talk about end-to-end supply chain process flow. So you can clearly see how planning, procurement, manufacturing, inventory, and order managements are connected. So these are the modules of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So then we will cover the key Oracle SCM Cloud modules. So explaining the purpose of each module and where it fits in the overall SCM process. Also, we will discuss the functional consultant role per module. So you understand what responsibilities a consultant handle in real implementation projects. And finally, I will explain the recommended learning path for the beginners. So which will help you choose the right sequence to start learning Oracle SCM Cloud with the confidence. So we'll start with our first topic. So what is Oracle SCM Cloud? So basically the definition and the overview of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So it is a cloud-based supply chain management solution provided by the Oracle. So it helps organization manage their complete supply chain processes on a single integrated platform. So it covers key business areas such as planning, procurement, manufacturing, inventory, costing, and order fulfillment. S- So it is a tightly integrated with the Oracle Financial Cloud, and it is designed to support a global multi-organization business operation. So this is the platform where all business processes are managed. So from purchasing to manufacturing. So from if the uh, customer books any order, so booking from that order till the shipments. So uh, order to shipment. All these are processes are covered on this single platform. So that's why the most of the companies is use it. So that we will be seeing in the next slide. So the next topic is why companies is use the Oracle SCM Cloud. So the reason behind is to gain a real-time visibility across their entire supply chain. So which the so Oracle SCM Cloud helps organization to control inventory levels, manage operational costs, and reduce some manual work through the automation. So they can utilize all these modules and do automation, and most of the things they can control through this application. So with real-time data analytics and the decision making becomes faster and more accurate. So on the basis of this data, so the businesses can take the decisions so very effectively and in a faster manner as compared to the traditional processes. So Oracle SCM Cloud is a highly scalable as it is a cloud-based solution. So it can be scalable, so making it suitable for growing businesses. So these are the few reasons. So that's why companies is use the Oracle SCM Cloud. So the next topic is to what is end-to-end supply chain. So in end-to-end supply chain, so what these are the pages. So plan, source, make, store, and deliver. So in all these pages, this Oracle SCM Cloud comes in a picture. So each steps represents a key business function. So Oracle SCM Cloud provides a dedicated modules to manage each stage effectively. So for the planning, there is a one module, source, make. For each stage, there is a separate modules. So, so the key strength of this Oracle SCM Cloud is to end-to-end integration. So all these modules are integrated to each other. So single transaction in one stage automatically updates related modules. So and this provides the real-time visibility, accurate inventory and the costing, and better decision making across the entire supply chain. Suppose you created one transaction in the inventory module, so it reflects in the costing module. So in this way, it transfer to the another subsequent module. S- So this in this way, the end-to-end integration works in the Oracle SCM Cloud. The next part is the Oracle. What are the modules used in? So we'll be seeing in details. We'll be discussing, and I will tell you the key informations about the each modules. So the core modules include the product information management, inventory management, cost management, procurement, manufacturing cloud, order management, and the planning. So each module has a specific role, but none of them works in isolation. So this is the important point of this module. So each and every module is integrated to each other. So they don't work individually. So in real-time implementations, data and the transactions are flow across multiple modules seamlessly. Suppose you created one transaction in inventory management, so the all the details, all the costing related values are interfaced to the cost management. Similarly, in procurement, in the PIM as well, if you created items in the product information management, so data flows to the inventory, procurement, and the cost management. So each and every module is related to each other. So they don't work in isolation. So the first module is the product information management. So it is a foundation of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So why it is? Because the all master data and item related data is created under the product information management module. It includes the creating the item attributes, item classes, item categories, and their life cycle phases. So all item behavior related activities and the attributes are maintained in this module. So every transaction in inventory, procurement, and the manufacturing and any other module depends on the data created in the PIM module, because all the item related attributes are created under this module. So how that item should be, so it is an inventory item, it is a non-stock item. All these attributes are created under the product information management. So without proper PIM setup, downstream modules cannot function properly, or the other processes affects. So if the item setup is incorrect, so you cannot do the inventory transactions, you cannot create the purchase acquisitions, you cannot create the purchase order. So that's why this module is very important. And that's why we called it as a foundation module. So the next module is the inventory management. So the we called it as the backbone of the supply chain. Because it manages how materials are stored, how materials are moved from one place to another place. They are tracking within the organization. So this includes the sub inventories, locators, inventory transaction, transfer, cycle counting, and min max planning at the sub inventory level. So inventory provides real time visibility of on and quantity and the availability. So this module is especially suitable for mechanical and production engineers due to it's a strong alignment with their material pro concept. So most of the mechanical and production engineers are aware of the inventory transactions. So on and availability, the cycle counting processes, minimax processes. So that's why I mentioned mechanical and production can relate these processes. So this is also one important module of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So next module we'll see is the Procurement Cloud. So Procurement Cloud manages the all procurement related activities like purchasing life cycles of a material, or it could be a services. So it covers purchase requisitions, so purchase requisition approvals, purchase order, their approvals, supplier creations, supplier registrations, supplier management, and the receiving as well. So when materials are received through the procurement, inventory quantity increase and the costing capture the cost impact. So here we can see that these are the modules are integrated, so not working in isolation. So this module is ideal for the professional who has exposure to purchasing processes like other sourcing processes or vendor management. So the people who work in the purchasing department work as a buyer, supplier manager, or the supplier management. So they can relate the procurement processes very effectively, and they can understand procurement module very easily. So the next module is the manufacturing cloud. So manufacturing cloud supports the production approach operations within the Oracle SM cloud. All the processes related to manufacturing are covered under the manufacturing module. So like bill of material creations, routings, work orders, production executions, creation of work centers, production lines. So all these processes and their respective setups are done in the manufacturing module. So during production, materials are issued out from inventory and resources are consumed. So these activities and this process are captured under this module. So these transactions directly impact both inventory and the costing. So providing accurate work in process inventory and finished good valuations. This module is important. So here also we can see that it is integrated with the inventory and the cost management. So this module is a strong fit for the production and the manufacturing engineers. So they can relate all the manufacturing related processes easily and understand the configurations very effectively. So this is all about the manufacturing cloud. Then the next module is the order management cloud. So order management cloud handles the customer demand and the order fulfillment. So it's basically manage the sales order creations. Whenever uh, any sales order is received or the order received from the customer, it is booked or the entered in the system under this module. So then it will check for the inventory availability and reservation of the material and post that the shipping and the execution of delivery. So it is also integrated with the inventory as well. So here we can see that once the order is booked, the order management uh, or the person who booked the order will check for the on hand availability of that material, so they can reserve that stock against that sales order. So these are the some activities will be done in the order management module. So this module ensures the customer's orders are fulfilled accurate and on time. There are also other processes to full order fulfillment that we will be see in the details when we will learn the order management model. So the next is the planning model. So, so planning model focuses on the demand and supply planning. So these module help organizations forecast and demand, plan supply, and optimize inventory levels. So planning uses the data from inventory, procurement, and manufacturing to generate the realistic plans. So typically, planning models are implemented after a strong foundation in inventory and the costing is established. So basically, we can say that inventory and costing should be implemented first, and it should work properly to utilize in the planning module. So once, because planning uses the data, and that data we will be getting through the inventory and the costing modules and the other modules as well. So the next module is the cost management or the costing cloud. So it is responsible for the tracking of the financial value and the inventory of the manufacturing or the inventory transactions. So basically, it tracks the transaction cost, item cost based on the inventory transactions. So this is also a core module in SCM Cloud. While while inventory manages quantity and costing manages the cost and valuation. So this module defines the under this module we can define the cost organization, cost book, cost profile, and valuation method such as standard, actual costing, and average costing as well. So these are the some methods of the costing. So costing is closely integrated with the inventory and procurement and the manufacturing. So to ensure accurate cost accounting and the report. So so to ensure accurate costing, so we need to do some costing related setups under costing module only. So in this way, we will be able to track the correct transaction cost of the particular transactions or the items. So that's why this is also a core module of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So now next is the learning sequence. So this is the recommended learning sequence. So in this manner, we have to learn the Oracle SCM Cloud. So then we will be able to implement or we can work on the any implementation project. So now let's talk about the correct sequence. So we first of all we will be starting with the product information management because this is where all item master data is created. Every other SCM module depend on this module. So the next is the inventory management, which is the backbone of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So inventory handles the material storage, material movements, transactions, and the on-hand quantities or the stock of the particular items. So after inventory, we will learn the cost management, also costing cloud. In this module, we will see the transaction cost, item cost, and how it is generated. So all these inventory and the costing works together. So that's we will be learning under the cost management module. So once you understand the inventory and the costing, we will learn the procurement. So which manages the purchasing activities such as requisition, purchase orders, and the receiving. So then we'll come to the manufacturing module, to where production process like bill of materials, routings, and work orders are executed. So after that, we will cover the order management, so which handles the customer orders and the fulfillment. So under that, there are multiple processes of the order fulfillment, like drop shipment, back to back. So all this process we will be learning under the order management module. So finally, planning module. So as they require a strong knowledge of the inventory and the costing and the other supply chain processes. So we will be learning planning in the last. So this is the ideal sequence so which will help you understand Oracle SCM Cloud exactly the way it is implemented in real project. So in real project also this is the uh, sequence it is used for the implementations, and we can learn one by one each module thoroughly, and we will discuss about the each and every supply chain processes. So this is all about the recommended learning sequence on the modules of the Oracle SCM Cloud. So this video is all about the introduction about the what are the modules covered under the Oracle SCM Cloud. So, so you can join us through this channel Next Gen SCM Cloud Academy as of now, and I will help you understand Oracle SCM Cloud step by step from basic concept to real implementation scenarios, and at the end I will help you to with some interview preparation questions and other related things. I will explain to you some real time scenarios and the issues occur during the implementations. So you can subscribe our channel and start your journey towards becoming an Oracle SCM Cloud functional consultant. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon.